of every soldier show. But here we are, yes, here we are again. A lot of water's gone across the dam. If we put makeup on for Uncle Sam, to greet you as our fathers greeted you then. We were drafted by our president, and we marched with banners unfurled. We were drilled and trained to represent the greatest army in the world. Yes, the greatest army of actors in the world. Now don't get us wrong, we're not here for long. Our stay in the theater is brief. We're here with the show to help get some dough for the army relief. The much-needed army relief. But beneath the powder and beneath the paint, there's a soldier brave and true. If some guy in Congress tells you that we ain't, let him do what we had to do, and go through what we went through.
We all have been selected from city and from farm. They asked us lots of questions, they jabbed us in the arm. We stood there at attention, our faces turning red. The sergeant looked us over, and this is what he said.
This is the Army, Mr. Jones. No private rooms or telephones. You had your breakfast in bed before, but you won't have it there anymore.
This is the Army, Mr. Green. We like the barracks nice and clean. You had a housemaid to clean your floor, but she won't help you out anymore.
Do what the buglers command. They're in the army and not in a band.
This is the Army, Mr. Brown. You and your baby went to town. She had you worried, but this is war, and she won't worry you anymore.
This is the Army, Mr. Jones. No private rooms or telephone. You had your breakfast in bed before, but you won't have it there anymore. This is the Army, Mr. Green. We like the barracks nice and clean. You had a housemaid to clean your floor, but she won't help you out anymore.